Okay, in this video we will solve problem number 1 to 9 of chapter 4 of Hall and Knight higher algebra. This chapter is all about arithmetic progression. Because the first 9 problems are very simple and it is straightforward application of formula, so I will not make it into separate videos. I will try to solve all the 9 problems in this video. So first of all, we should understand what is arithmetical progression. The quantities are said to be in arithmetical progression when they increase or decrease by a common difference. So suppose you have a series, or suppose you have sequence 3, 7, 11, 15. So you can see that 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, and so on. It may go on. So this is all the quantities are increasing by some common difference. Similarly, you can have something like 100, 99, 98. Again, you have a starting number and each subsequent quantity is decreasing by a fixed integer which is -1. So the quantity can increase or decrease. So this is called an arithmetical progression. Now it is not necessary that this is an integer, it can be a fraction, it can be a decimal, anything. The only thing is that the common difference between the subsequent quantity is always same. So this is what is an arithmetical progression. So the general way of describing an arithmetical progression would be A, this is the first term, okay, then the second term will be A plus D, D is the common difference, then the third term will be A plus 2 times D, fourth term will be A plus 4 times D, so on, and you will have nth term as A plus n minus 1 times D. This is the nth term, right? So if anybody asks you to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression, this is the formula that you use. Now let us see how to add arithmetic progression. So suppose the series is A plus D plus A plus 2D plus, and suppose we have last term is L, then what will be the subsequent term, that what will be the previous term? It will be L minus D, and what would be the term before this? It would be L minus 2D, right? So we can write this sum also in the reverse order. We can write L here plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus, over here you will get A plus 2D plus A plus D and A, okay, and let us say that L is the nth term, L is nth term, so that is, there are n number of terms to add. So if you add these two equations, you get 2s is equal to A plus L plus 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 A plus L. So you have added LA plus L. This quantity is added how many times? If L is the nth term, it is added n times. So this means that 2s is equal to n times A plus L, or sum of the arithmetic progression is n by 2 times A plus L. Now what is L? L is the nth term, which can also be written as A plus n minus 1d. So this implies that S is equal to n by 2 times A plus n minus 1 d, or S is equal to n by 2 times 2A plus n minus 1 d. So you can either use this formula for the sum, or you can use this formula for the sum. Okay, and you have to use this formula for finding the nth term. Now once we know this, let us go through all the problems in a very fast way, because all these problems are straightforward application of just the formula. So let us look at the first problem. First problem is, this is a arithmetic progression, so they are saying that you add it to 20 terms. Okay, so first we have to find what is A. So I am doing problem number 1 here. A is equal to 2, and what is D? D is 4 times 3 is 12, 13 by 4 minus 2, 13 by 4 minus 2 can be written as 8 by 4, or D is equal to 5 by 4. N is equal to 20. Now what will be the sum? Sum will be equal to n by 2, which is 20 by 2, into 2 times A, which is 2 times 2, plus n minus 1 is 19 times 5 by 4, and you solve this and you get the answer as 555 by 2, and this will be equal to 277 by 277 and a half. Okay, so this is the first problem. Nothing, just apply the formula. Then what is the second problem? Second problem is, again we know A is equal to 49. 49. What is the common difference? Common difference is 44 minus 49, which is minus 5. Okay, and how many terms we have to add? We have to add 17 terms. So let us find out what is the 17th term. Okay, what is the last term? Last term will be 49 plus L minus 1, n minus 1 will be 16, 17 minus 1 is 16, 16 times, what is the common difference? Minus 5. So this is minus 80 plus 49, and this you will get as minus 31. Now what will be the sum? Sum will be n by 2, which is 17 by 2, into A plus L. So L was minus 31, 49 minus 31, and you get 17 by 2 into 18. So this is 153, right? So in this problem I straight away applied 2A plus n minus 1d, over here I have first found the last term and then I am applying n by 2 a plus l, but whichever way you do, the answers will come out to be same. Similarly, let us go through the third problem. Again, a is equal to 3 by 4. What about the common difference? Common difference is we can subtract 2 by 3 from 7 by 12. So, this is 8 by 12. This is 8 by 12. So, 8 minus 7 minus 8 is, so D is minus 1 by 12, right? Now, what is the 19th term? 19th term will be 19th term, or this is the last term. This will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 12 times 19 minus 1, which is 18. So, this is 6 by 4 6 minus 3 is minus 3. So, this is minus 3 by 4. So, last term is minus 3 by 4. So, what will be the sum? Sum will be 19 by 2 times a, which is 3 by 4, and what is the last term? This is minus 3 by 4. So, the sum will be equal to 0, right? Let us look at problem number 4. Problem number 4 is a is equal to 3. What is the common difference? Common difference is this can be written as 9 by 3, 3 can be written as 9 by 3, and 7 by 3. So, common difference is minus 2 by 3, right? Now, over here they are saying that you have to find the sum up to n terms. So, s is equal to n by 2. What is 2 times a? 2 times a is 6 plus n minus 1. What is d? It is minus 2 by 3. So, times minus 2 by 3, and if you simplify this, you can simplify this, and in the end you will get s is equal to 10n minus n square by 3. Okay, you can just expand and simplify. There's no difficulty in this problem. Now, let us look at problem number 5. Problem number 5, again a is equal to 3.75. What is the common difference? Common difference is minus 0.25, right? Because the series is decreasing, and what we have to do, we have to find the sum of 16 terms. So, what will be the 16th term? Let us call it L. It will be 3.75 minus 15 times 0.25, or 0.25, and this will be equal to 0, okay, because 15 times 0.25 is actually 15 by 4, 15 by 4 is also 3.75. So, what will be the sum? Sum will be n by 2, which is 16 by 2, 16 by 2 is 8, times a 3.75 plus L, which is 0. So, it is 3.75, 8 times 3.75 is actually equal to 8 times 3 is 24, 0.75 times this is 630, right? Now let us look at problem number 6. What can we write? Minus 7.5. This is a is equal to minus 15 by 2, right? Now what is the common difference? For this problem, because there is already a half here, what I can do is I can see that the difference between minus 7.5 and minus 6.5 is minus 1, but this distance, this difference is actually equal to 2d, right? This is d and this is d, so 2d is equal to 1, or because minus 6.5 minus 7.5, so the difference is 1 and series is increasing, so d is equal to half. Or you can directly subtract minus 7, that is you can do minus 7 minus 7.5, still you will get half. So what we have to do is we have to find the sum of 24 terms. So what will be the 24th term? 24th term will be minus 15 by 2 plus 24 minus 1 is 23 and common difference is half. So 23 minus 15 is 8 divided by 2 is 4, right? So sum is equal to n by 2, which is 12. 24 by 2 is 12 times a minus 15 by 2 plus 4 we can write as 8 by 2. What you get is 8 minus 15 is minus 7, you get minus 7 times 12 divided by 2, this is equal to minus 42, right? Let us look at problem number 7. Problem number 7 is a is equal to 1.3, d is equal to 3.1, 1.3. So four 4.4 minus 4.4, right? Minus 3.1 minus 1.3. So this is d, and you have to add it to 10 terms. So what will be the 10th term? 10th term will be a 1.3 plus 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, times minus 4.4, and this you will get as minus 38.3. Okay, I am doing it very fast because I have already done it before. So if you need time, you can just go through your own pace and you see that you will get minus 38.3. So what will be the sum of 10 terms? Sum of 10 terms will be 10 divided by 2, which is 5, times 1.3 minus 38.3, right? N by 2, a plus L. So this will be minus 37 times 5, minus 37 times 5 is equal to minus 185. problem number 8. Over here, what is the first term? It is 6 by root 3. What is d? We can find 2d as 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6 divided by root 3, but this is 2d, so you have to divide it by 2. So d is equal to 3 by root 3. Right? So d is 3 by root 3. What is the 50th term? 50th term will be 6 by root 3 plus 50 minus 1 is 49 times 3 by root 3. So you can take 3 by root 3 out, you get 2 plus 49. This is equal to 51 times 3 by root 3. This is the 50th term. So what will be the sum? Sum will be n by 2. So 50 by 2 is 25 times a, which is 6 by root 3, plus this will be 3 times 3 times 153 by root 3. So 153 plus 6 is 'So this we can write as 159 times 25 into root 3 divided by 3. This is equal to 50 divided 15 plus 3 3 is 9. And 25 times 3 is 75. 25 times 5 is 125. 125 plus 7 is 132. 1325. So this is problem number 8, and let us look at problem number 9. Again, a is equal to 3 by root 5. What is d? D is equal to 1 by root 5, right? 4 by root 5 minus 3 by root 5. So d is equal to 1 by root 5. What is the 25th term? 25th term is 3 by root 5 plus 24. 25 minus 1 is 24 times d, which is root 5. So you get 27 by root 5. Correct? So what is the sum of 25 terms? Sum is equal to 25 by 2 into a, which is 3 by root 5 plus 27 by root 5. So this is 25 by 2 into 30 by root 5. So 2 times 15 or 15 we can write as 5 times 3. So this is 75. 25 times 3 is 75 times root 5. So these are the first 9 problems of the chapter 4.